It's a quick video, hopefully. This is my glove box handle. As you can see, this one, for some reason, they took out the lock. So I got this one out of a yard of another car. And yep, they're different colors. So I'm going to try and see if I can rekey this to work on my key. I can just swap it, but right now it's not going to unlock. So let me see if I can do that. Here's what the back looks like. So here's the front, here's the back, on both. Just different colors. Let's see if I can show you how that opens. Okay, I'll hold it right there, like that. So when you open it, it just does that. This one, it's locked. So I can't move it. So I'm gonna take it out, and I think I can just pop this out a little bit and this comes off. Alright, so that's pretty easy. So you just pop that out from the sides here and it pops out. This is the piece that pushes it. And now I have my lock cylinder there. And if you look at the tabs here, that's all that holds them. Right here they're black, so it's a little different, but I need to know which way it's pointing before I install it, because you gotta remember to put it the same way. So this part goes towards this part. So let me take it out of here. I'm just gonna see if I can move those back and pull it the other way. So that's easier said than done. This thing doesn't want to budge, so I don't know if I need to turn it or what while doing that. But I already pulled the clips and it won't come out. Okay, I finally took it out. That's what it looks like. And I literally had to use this one to press it out, because it was kind of stuck with those, but there's nothing holding it other than those, and you gotta be careful because they do come out, as you can see. So I just left them. I did find that key kind of works on it, so I'm just gonna leave it alone. I'm just gonna transfer it. Unfortunately, I don't have this O-ring that he had right there. This one broke. I thought that was for the water, but it should work just the same, so I'm gonna swap it over there. Let me do that and call it a day. This is only 1, 2, 3 of those, so the key, you don't, on this one I don't have to put it all the way in, and it kind of and it opens. So at least now I'll have a lock even if I don't use it, because I just didn't want to have that hole there. But at least now I know it also works if I do want to use it. So let me do that. Alright, so I managed to put it back in to the new handle. And, well, I can't show you, but let me see. I can do this one-handed. There we go. Okay, turn. And then I can turn it the other way. Come on, there you go. See, turn. Can turn the other way. So it does work. It just feels a little tighter than the other one before. I don't know if I needed to do a little bit of grease on there, but I just swapped it. So yeah, at least now there's no hole in the handle. So there you go. Now I just gotta put everything back. Wait, where is it? One of these just goes back on here. I think it was that one. But that's the VW Rabbit glove box handle.